How to make Keto Cucumber Walnut Salad. The ingredients: 1 large cucumber, 1 cup walnuts, 3 ounce feta cheese, 1/4 cup black olives, 1/4 cup cherry tomatoes, 3 tablespoon full fat plain Greek yogurt, 2 teaspoon lemon juice, ½ teaspoon dried dill, ½ teaspoon garlic powder, salt to taste. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. 2. In a frying pan over medium heat, add the walnuts. Heat and stir for about 3 minutes. 3. In a bowl, combine the Greek yogurt, lemon juice, dill, garlic powder, and salt. 4. Slice the cucumber. 5. In another bowl, add the sliced cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, black olives, feta cheese, and walnuts. 6. Stir in the Greek yogurt mixture. Combine well to coat all of the ingredients. 7. Garnish with dill. Serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 4 servings of Keto Cucumber Walnut Salad. Each serving comes out to be 261 calories, 23.1 grams fat, 6.2 grams net carbs, and 8.7 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet made up for you, click on the link in the description.